What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlogs. How are you guys doing? You know, like, you guys being safe? You know, you guys are good? Like, how's your guys' life? You know, like, you guys okay? Hope you guys are doing okay. I'm doing pretty good, you know, just working and stuff, making videos for you guys, trying to make some awesome content and all that stuff. I want to start this video off by always saying thank you for everyone that's been watching my videos recently. My views have gone up so much recently. Subscribed and like, and even the guys that don't, you know, subscribe or like or anything like that, I still appreciate you guys because you guys are all awesome. We're gonna get to the video, but anyways, my sister and her boyfriend today got me a late Christmas present because they ordered it kind of last minute for me, and it's honestly pretty cool. Like, it's really rad. Like, I'm really happy about it. But here, I'll show you guys anyways. So my sister and her boyfriend got me a new shift knob, and this thing is sick. It's got Godzilla engraved, like it's like an ink engraving, so I feel like it's almost like a tattoo. Like, you could feel the texture of the art and everything, not every single bit, but like you could feel the texture. It's super cool. But you could just see the engraving and everything on it. This thing is sick. Like, it is so cool. And if you guys are wondering who made this, it is Bam Shifts right down there. Those are the people that made it. So it's about $100 something. I haven't put it on the car yet. I'm about to, but just to know about this a little bit, this thing is about 375 grams. 375 grams. And I looked up my OEM STI shift knob, and that's about 255 grams. So this thing is actually about 120 grams more than the OEM one. So it's gonna be a little heavier. So I'm actually kind of curious to see what difference it makes. So, but enough of me talking. Let's throw this thing on because I'm actually really curious of what it feels like. So we'll meet me at my car. So 3, 2, 1. Okay. We are back in the car once again. Fairly easy install. Let me take, actually. Okay, so on the package, it obviously comes with this shift knob. I hope you guys can see that. I hope it's focused, and it comes with the hardware that you need. So, fairly easy. All you obviously have to do is, sorry about the mess in here. I gotta mask and everything everywhere. All you got to do is obviously take off the OEM one, or whichever one that comes on the car. And mine in particular is the one with the STI logo on it. Nothing too crazy. You just slip this off just like that. Let's do a little weight comparison. Yes, the new one is definitely heavier. So once you do that, you take the hardware that this comes with, and then, give me a second, you take the hardware that it comes with, and then you put the nut on first. The nut. You just put it all the way down. Almost all the way down, probably. And you put this thing, I don't know what this thing is called, but you gotta put this on next. I think, I don't know. Actually, it looks like it doesn't screw on. So we'll just see if this will fit. That does not fit for sure. So I believe I don't want to cross thread this, 'cause it feels like it does not want to go on. Hold on. Give me a second while I figure this out, guys. Okay, that took way longer than it should have to get this thing perfect, because it was kind of tricky to figure out how this thing is supposed to go on. So, okay, well, that is how it looks. This thing looks super rad. I like the feel of it. I'm going to take it off for a little test drive to see how it feels after this video, and I'll let you guys know. But this thing is pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys if you do end up getting one of these shift knobs. If you guys do run into one of these problems. So this copper thing, it doesn't screw in all the way, but it's you could easily take it off, which is perfectly fine as long as you're not forcing it. So in order for it to fit well, you literally have to mess with this nut right here, and you have to make it go up or down, whichever one you want. I finally got it to where I wanted it to be without forcing this thing on too hard, so it doesn't, like, you know, fuck up my shifter or something, and I messed it up, so I gotta adjust it again. Fuck. Yeah, honestly, just mess with this nut right here, just keep going up and down, and just trial and error and all that stuff. And then sooner or later, hopefully, it'll get where you want it to be. Fuck. That's not where I want it to be. God damn it, I had this thing perfect. Okay, finally, I've taken this thing off so many times already. It's finally where I want it to be. The Godzilla is kind of just facing me. That's kind of how I want it to be, so I could look at it. But this thing is pretty sick. I'm probably gonna have to get used to putting it in reverse and all that. But yeah, this thing is pretty dope. Obviously, this is my old one, which is literally the OEM one. This is my first time driving a shift knob with a long handle. I think this is going to be a little more comfortable. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take it out for a test drive. All right, so we are back in the car with the GoPro this time. We're gonna take this thing out on a little test drive because I am very curious to see how this thing feels. Now, this thing's a little tall, to be honest. It's 5 inches and stuff, so it's kind of so before, my hand would be like right here, but now I could just have my hand chilling all the way up here and just kind of shift gears pretty easily. So I'm actually excited to see how this feels. But this Godzilla art is so sick. I like it a lot. The quality is nice also. Like, you could tell this was made from pure quality, because this thing's cool because it's also made out of bamboo also, and it's got the lead. I'm pretty sure it is. That's making it heavy weighted and all that. So like I said, it's like 125 grams more than the OEM one, so this will be a little interesting to see how much of a difference it makes in shifting and all that, because a lot of people will go weighted shift knob just to get that smoother shifting. So I could already tell, like, this thing is like super easy to put into gear and all that. Definitely a little different from what I'm used to, for sure. This is more, the longer handles are definitely more for like a chiller driving experience, because it's kind of awkward to get the whole thing to shift from like 4th to 5th. Like from 1st to 2nd's fine, but from like 2nd to 3rd, that's fine. 3rd to 4th, that's fine. It's from 4th to 5th which feels the most awkward. I mean, it doesn't feel too bad though, I guess. It's just something I'm not used to, for sure. I'm just not sure how it's gonna feel when I bang through gears, you know. Like, the smaller one was so easy because you kind of just go boom, 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 boom. This one's kind of like, it makes it almost feel like it's a longer throw. I don't know if that makes complete sense, but that's how it feels a little bit. But nonetheless, honestly, it feels way smoother to put it into gear. Like, it's like, it makes it almost smooth and a little more crispier, if that makes sense. Not too bad. I literally just have to grab it from the very top to be able to downshift pretty. I don't know yet. I gotta drive this thing for like at least a week to get an actual feel for it, so I'm just being weird. So I wanted to try out a longer one. I mean, it feels really smooth throwing it into gear and all that, actually. Yeah, it feels actually really smooth. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be to throw into gear. So, I like it. I actually like it. That felt really good. I actually like this. But anyways, I'm just gonna cut the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's probably on the shorter side and all that, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the shift knob that I got. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Like I say, thank you guys for supporting my channel and everything, like commenting, subscribing, whatever. Even though if you don't, it's all right. I still appreciate you guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.